The leader of the Roman Catholic Church in England and Wales also called for a fundamental rethinking of society's understanding of wealth as being all about money and consumption. At midnight mass at Westminster Cathedral, Cardinal Cormac Murphy O'Connor denounced the spectacularly bad behaviour of some people at the heart of the financial system. So your message is that the economy's been run for the rich?
Well, I mean, you could put it like that. But I think people feel let down. And now they feel a lack of trust if those who, as I say, running the economy and the bankers and the finance